Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Skills, a public repository from the AI powerhouse Anthropic. This project offers a rare glimpse into how to build modular and effective capabilities for AI agents. It's a foundational toolkit that could define the next wave of agentic AI development. Let's say you have a powerful language model. How do you get it to consistently follow your company's brand guidelines or execute a complex technical workflow? It's a common challenge, a challenge of reliability. A new open source project from Anthropic offers a surprisingly simple yet powerful engineering-focused solution to this very problem. So, what's the project? It's called Skills, and it was developed by Anthropic as a public repository for what it calls agent skills for its Claude AI. It provides a standardized framework to expand Claude's ability to perform specific, repeatable tasks. The project is getting a lot of attention, accumulating over 131,000 stars on GitHub, with more than 500 added in just one day. This level of interest really shows that developers are looking for a better way to structure AI capabilities. At their core, large language models are generalists. Getting them to reliably perform a niche, multi-step task often involves fragile and complex prompt engineering. Before a solution like this, developers would embed long, intricate instructions directly into their applications. This made them difficult to update, share, or reuse. The Skills project tackles this by externalizing these instructions into modular, shareable components. The unique angle here is treating AI capabilities not as one-off prompts, but as version-controlled assets, much like code. This approach transforms a creative art into a repeatable engineering discipline. So, how does it work under the hood? The project's architecture can be understood as a highly structured form of retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. Each skill is a self-contained folder, not a piece of executable code. At the heart of every skill is a file named SKILL.md. This file uses a declarative approach, neatly separating the task instructions from the core AI logic. Two key aspects really stand out. First, YAML front matter provides metadata like a name and description. This is crucial for what's called skill discovery, allowing Claude's backend to semantically search and find the right skill for a user's request. Second, the Markdown body contains the actual instructions. This is a form of just-in-time prompt engineering, where the relevant instructions are injected into the model's context only when needed. Perhaps the most powerful feature is that Skills can bundle resources like fonts or code templates. This is like giving the AI not just a recipe, but a full pantry of pre-approved ingredients, ensuring consistent, high-fidelity output. What does this look like in the real world? The applications are very practical and business-oriented. An enterprise user can create a skill to ensure Claude always generates reports using the correct brand voice and document template. A developer using the Claude Code environment can install a skill to help with testing a web application. Data analysts can define a skill that guides Claude through a specific proprietary analysis workflow. Even software partners like Notion are creating skills to teach Claude how to interact more effectively with their products. Getting started is also designed to be straightforward, with a simple template file provided for creating custom skills. Now, as elegant as this design is, the approach is not without its risks. As the library of skills grows, ambiguity between skill descriptions could cause the AI to choose the wrong tool for the job. Another issue is that skills may become implicitly coupled to a specific version of the Claude model. An update to the core AI could break a skill without warning. Furthermore, a poorly designed or malicious skill could introduce security vulnerabilities like prompt injection. This would require robust sandboxing to prevent unintended consequences. So, to wrap things up, Anthropic's Skills project provides an engineering framework to make AI agents more reliable and specialized. It transforms the abstract art of prompt writing into a structured, version-controlled discipline. In doing so, It paves the way for more robust and trustworthy AI applications in professional environments.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.